Okay, so I'm just having a look on Copart for another car, something I need to get for my wife. And this came up, and this is one of the clear examples where you need to really look into the cars that you're bidding on Copart. So looks nice and clean, B&W, N repairable, structural. Can't see any apparent damage, so that immediately makes me think, well, it's been repaired and it's been put back through the auction, which can be a bit of a red flag. So the first thing you want to check is what kind of entry it is. So if we do HD photos on this and zoom in on the tag, you can see there that there is a letter C at the end of the number, which means it is a private entry. I'll put details in the description as to what all the different codes mean, but basically C means it's a private entry. Now, one thing that I use is a little bit of a plugin that works with most web browsers, which actually will go off and see if this car has been in any previous auctions. And the way to do it is you just reveal the number plate or the VIN, and immediately this plugin auctionhunter.io, and it's completely free, anyone can install it. Just go to their website auctionhunter.io, install the plugin, and then basically it will go off and see if it can find any previous sales history. Now if we look here, we can see sales history on the 27th of March 2018, 11th of July 2023, 10th of November 2023, and then the 11th of December 2023. So this has had 4 previous sales. Now I've never seen one with this many sales. So if we go back to the oldest one and we hit view, this will open up another tab directly on the Auction Hunter website, and we can clearly see, yeah, same BMW 3 Series 318D Sport, and it's had a fair old whack. Still classed as a Cat N, non-structural, but it's taken out most of the front end, probably damaged the headlights, and it's also taken out the bonnet. Scroll down, you can see that this wheel is straight and this one is definitely not straight. So you've probably got some suspension leg damage there as well, and yeah, that's had a fair old whack. So let's then look at the other one. So if we now go, so it's obviously repaired, so that was 2018, and now we go to the 2023. Again, same car, and now it's had a whack on the passenger side front, taking the headlight out and damaged the bumper. Can't see any other damage than that. So again, it's been repaired, and then in November it's then had another accident, this time on the driver's side, taking out the headlight. So at this point it's probably on its, what, that's going to be third set of headlights since it came out the factory. Probably another bonnet and another front bumper. So again, this is not a car that's had a very happy life. And if we go back to the next one, so it would have sold. It would have sold at that point, and then a month later it's come back through again. Whether the sale didn't complete, I don't know, but the same damage is still on there. They've removed some of the parts clearly from the previous accident photos, so you got bits there, and then yeah, this is definitely one to avoid. But I just thought I'd do this quick video just to explain to you this auctionhunter.io free website, free plugin. It saves so many times you buying a car that you didn't know was previously damaged, because it will come up and say Cat N non-structural on the Copart listings, but sometimes when you do the additional information, it'll give you this information here saying previous damage, but not in every single case. And sometimes it might have been classed as a Cat S, repaired, and then gone back through this auction as a Cat N, and it'll say previous Cat S. So yeah, so that was just a quick tip from me. If you are buying cars from Copart, definitely get the auctionhunter.io plugin. It will save your bacon.